Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am working in my paint chip journal. I made this a while ago. I will put a link below. I have a fast version of how I made it and a full-length tutorial if you're interested. But today's project is for the Art Joy of Sharing Facebook group. In November they do Art Journaling Habit, and the hashtag is Art Journal Habit 2019. So I will not be posting videos on here every day. That's crazy. But I am going to try to do a journal page a day. And I will post it on Instagram under Art Journal Habit 2019, the hashtag. If you want a list of the prompts, you can go to the Art Joy of Sharing Facebook group, and I will try to remember to put a link below. And this one is just day one, and the prompt for day one was roar. So I found this cute quote and decided to do it, and that's what this is based around. And right now and it's really simple. Like, the idea is to do something every day. You can't do like massive quantities every single day and feel like you've succeeded. So I'm using my paint chip book. It is super small. I don't work this small unless I'm doing like ATCs or something. So it's really hard to shrink things down. So I just took a piece of jelly printed paper, found this cute little kitty in a lion's costume, and that is going to be part of the roar and go with this cute little quote that I found. So I hope you guys are in the Art Joy of Sharing Facebook group. Join it. It's a lot of fun. They have great ideas every month, and it's put on by Peg Robinson and Chelsea, and they do a live video once a week, and it's fun to watch. They're great techniques, and yeah, so check them out. Check out the Facebook group and give this a try. You know, like I said, it doesn't have to be some big elaborate production every day. Just do some little thing every day, and don't feel like you're a failure if you don't make it, because I think I tried Inktober, and I did 2 days, and I was just doing simple drawings. So I don't feel like a failure. I just got too busy. I'm hoping that I will make it through November. But anyways, give it a try. I hope you like my smallish little journal page. And I counted the pages in this little book, and it holds tags. So with the pages and the tags, I have way more than 30. Is there 30 days in November? I have way more than I need. So I'm good to go. I could probably do this one for 2 months. No, it's not happening. December, we're going to have some fun, right? Do some Christmas. Be too busy for journaling every day. But November, we can do it. I hope. So the quote says, "Courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes courage is the little voice at the end of the day that says, 'I'll try again tomorrow.'" I just thought that was a cute quote, and decided on the subtle background because it's talking about a little voice, and then decided I wanted a kitty on there because the kitty is a little voice compared to a lion. And when I found this one with the lion's mane, I just thought it fit right in. And then I'm just going to go around it here with a little bit of black ink as soon as I find a pen that works well. Writes on my hand just fine. I didn't want it too thick because I didn't want it to overwhelm the page. Just trying to find a thin one. There we go. That'll work. Just to give it a little bit of an outline. going all the way around. Trying to be careful not to cross over the paper. I tend to do that, so I'm just rotating my little book. I do end up going around the jelly printed paper as well, but you don't see me do that. I did it after I stopped filming. I hope you like it. If you did like my video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to check out the Facebook group. And if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.